partner. Making their way to the... Ding, ding, ding. As we don't actually have a bell. Started off with punches, followed up by a spiking DDT. Double X handle chops to the midsection. The tag was made. Oh. Unparalleled backbreaker. Jay DeMeyer's making a tag, going for some type of lockup, but Jay DeMeyer pushes him off, making his way back. Punch to the gut.
You got a tough guy here.
Jay DeMeyer's not the only tough guy. Face buster to Jay DeMeyer's. The unmonumental strength it took to get him up.
Come on, get back in the ring.
Ref doing his job like no other.
That's Ozan.
The tag was made. Future taking him down.
Tag.
The hamstring. He's going for the figure four, it looks like, or a sharpshooter. Pushes him off. The tag was made. Now the kicks are being laid. Knife edge leg drop, followed up by an elbow drop. Followed up by another elbow drop. Modified face buster. Inflicted going up. That was illegal right there. Get to your partner.
Tag.
American Pie.
Come on, J-Sack. Come on. Get up out of there. Put it to the ground. Tag.
The tag was made. Roethlisberger getting up.
Come on, people. Come on, right there. Right there. Right there.
The tag, the hand is being held back. Counter
Come
sidewalk
on,
slam.
people. Come on, people. Hurry with me. Come on, son. Come on, son.
He's making his way. Oh, just as he thought he could get the hot tag. Inflicted gets back in there. Working the arm, working the forearm.
Good roll up.
Rolls out.
Good roll up.
Off the hot kick, back into a suplex. Plants him. Oh, devastating elbow drop.
1, 2, 2.
They're putting it on him.
Down strike.
Oh,
Finish that. 1, 2.
oh man. Kicked out. The chop's being made. The hot tag was done. His partner, making his way, trying to get the hot tag.
Go. Let's go.
Oh, the shock drop.
Come on, you can get out of this.
Will Raymond ever save his partner? We don't know. He's creeping around.
You're next.
Back.
Will he hit the stunner on him?
1, 2. 2.
Will he hit the stunner? Jay Demise with the unprecedented roll. He's got him. He's got him.
No.
Will he give?
No, no
Will he
give.
give?
No.
The fight has broken out. It's up to these two men in the ring. It's up to these two men in the ring.
Get out of the ring.
Back.
Glad I'm not the only one.
Go.
That was good.
1, 2.
Get off me.
Slapped him like a mosquito.
Back.
Inflicted, getting up to the ladder. Spiked him with the elbow drop.
Josh is awful. Josh is awful.
You give.
Check him. Check him.
Give.
Awful.
Ref, get him back in his corner.
Get back in the corner. Go.
Let's go, Raven. Let's go, Raven.
I want to see the stunner. Show me the stunner. The fans are chanting. They want it.
We want Stunner. Holy shit.
Inflicted. Iron the future down. Making his way. Will Jay Starks get a chance to save his partner tonight? Jay Demise kicking. We have about a good minute left in this match. Is due to the time limit restraints in this company put down by the Athletic Board of Commission. Oh, German suplex to Josh.
Yo, wait, can
Oh, that was it.
1, 2.
We're gonna have questions on Twitter about that.
We have questions on everything. Yeah, we gotta check out Josh's sexuality.
It's up to Raymond to save the day.
Next.
Let's go, Raven.
Will we see that dreaded stunner?
Let's go, Raven.
Who does everybody love? Who does everybody love?
Raven.
That was weak.
That was weak.
Oh, there it was. There it was. There it was.
Dealt with.
1, 2, 2. It's over.
Who built this ring? It's gotta be over.
1, 2.
It's over.
It's over. Ding, ding, ding.
Here's the winners.
Oh.
What's this? Family
Oh.
taking over. Taking over. Taking over the. Oh.